In this part of our mushroom study, we're going to practice diagramming a mushroom, but you can use this principle for lots of other things as well. First of all, we want to diagram the main outlines of the object. So maybe top view, side view. If it's something you can handle, you can view it from the bottom as well. We want to identify parts that we know, and you can use I wonder questions. We also don't want to draw large areas of repeating patterns. So if you notice a repeating pattern, you can show a sample of that and label where it would be on one of your outlines. You can also show the scale of an object if you'd like to. 1-to-1 scale means it's life size. I'm drawing dots along the outline of my mushroom instead of just tracing because it allows me to get a more accurate picture of the overall shape. 1-to-2 ratio means half the size of your object. While 2-to-1 ratio means twice the size. In this activity, we learned how to diagram a mushroom by breaking it down to its most basic parts. This has been Alliance Redwoods Camp at Home with your naturalist, Julia. Thanks for watching.